Students learn really a variety of things in this summer school. First of all, they're gonna learn about basic concepts that are necessary to grasp the power of the people. So the power that social movements have when they go out to the streets, when they raise their claims against the opponents. Next to that, they also learn about a lot of cases from the past that have been successful to understand the dynamics of social movements here in Amsterdam, but also elsewhere in the world.
Students learn about different important social movements in history, what they did to realize their visions and dreams, and how they themselves can learn from that historical experience to realize their own visions and dreams.
I chose to do a summer school because it provides opportunities that you don't necessarily get just studying normally at university at home. So the ability to learn with people from all over the world, from lots of different cultures, and just being able to study somewhere different in such a great city. Outside of studying in the classroom, we've also had a few excursions to different parts of Amsterdam. Last week I went to the Institute of Social History and see lots of interesting documents that linked back to our studies of labour movements.
Amsterdam, I think, is the perfect place to take this program. First of all, because here you have the expertise on social movements and social protest. A lot of important scientists and researchers studying this, the coordinator of the course, but also the guest speakers. The city of Amsterdam has been a hotspot for many of the protest movements that we cover in the course. For example, it's famous for the 2015 university protests. The city brings together the expertise and the actual historical experiences, and in that way brings the topics we discuss to life.
This year we have 22 students from 12 different countries, and that means that they bring also diversity of experiences and of histories of struggle in the countries they come from. This course makes actively use of those histories.
I've really enjoyed getting to know the group on my course because as well as studying together we all live in the same building, so we've got really close, we've become friends and we do things in and out of class together. We get to hear different perspectives that we might not know about already. I think it's important in politics and in a class about social movements to hear different perspectives and different viewpoints that are completely varied and linked to different cultures.